Hey, I'm Evan from Octane Electrons. Let's take a look at another NOEVSBIG, I suppose is how you say it, a magnetic holder tool for soldering and wiring and other sorts of work. So I did a video a while ago. There's their brand, NOEVSBIG, on their larger one, and I still use this quite a bit. I left it over here to show the difference. The larger one's awesome. You know, it has the vise, clamp, various holders, light, all sorts of stuff. So I leave that on the desk a lot. However, I wanted one that was portable, that I could move around. So like I've been doing a lot of work on my dirt bike here and doing some wiring, and I really wanted one that I could just set somewhere small. A lot of times I set a piece of wood down or something to solder against, and it's just not very convenient. So I wanted to be able to sit that down and have something hold wires for me, and this is the perfect size. So this is their mini one. So like painted, maybe powder coated yellow steel base that I like, has a Allen key recessed in here to hold the adjustment screw for the angle there on the holders. Comes with directions, though you really don't need them for something like this. Pretty simple. There it is set up. So let's take a look at the whole thing and see how this works. So here's the base plate. Comes with, everything's magnetic, so let me pull it apart. 2 flexible magnetic bases, alligator clips that are insulated, so that's great. And you can move them around anywhere. Strong magnets, you know, hard to pull up straight, but they'll slide pretty easy. And then it has this adjustable magnetic base. So 2 strong magnets. It has adjustment screw there in the center, so you can tighten the tension on it. So you can see I can move it. I have it fairly tight, but I can still adjust it on the fly, which I like. And that is what you would use the included Allen wrench for. Right there is your adjustment tensioning screw. Okay, so you can see same thing, strong magnets. I can still slide them or adjust if I need to, but hard to pull up, which is perfect. Set these guys out of the way. And I really like this. Totally fixed base, but both of the arms rotate, which is awesome. And then there's a tensioning, spring-loaded tension screw here. So you can adjust that to set how much tension is on the rotation. And if I back it off quite a bit, you can see I can move it super easy. If I have it tensioned a little more, there's more drag on it. So nice, works great. You know, how I'll typically be using this is for soldering on, mobile soldering on projects. I use my Ryobi cordless soldering iron a ton, so it's nice to be able to move it around to whatever project I'm working on. But having to hold wires, let me get this set here. Having to hold wires is always difficult, so that is the point of this, is to make for a really nice, there we go, a really nice mobile soldering setup. So I can set it wherever I want it. I have extra adjustable holders. You can see there I've got my wires in the clamp to do a test with. I'll see how well I can solder one-handed here. Set some over there. Of course, not very well. Let's see if I can, how well I can do this. Hold the iron with my other hand. There we go. So obviously, if I wasn't trying to hold a camera and record this at the same time, tend my iron here. Okay, it'd be much prettier solder joint. But anyways, point is, super adjustable. I can set it any angle, any direction I want. And where I will typically be using this is for places like this. I do all sorts of soldering on bikes, cars, at work here, stuff I'm working on. So I really need a portable clamp I can set anywhere. Well, that's not a great example, but I can set anywhere to clamp wires in place and then be able to make my solder joints. So really cool. This one is small, portable, but really high quality. Certainly does the job. I like this a lot. It'll be getting used on a lot of projects for sure. If you need a desktop one, the larger one is awesome. It's not nowhere near as portable. It is portable, but it's heavy, lots of attachments that you can take on or off, and not something you're probably going to set on top of a motorcycle. So anyways, hope you like it. I'm a fan. I'm going to keep using these tools. They're great. I use them all the time. So I've got them at work and at home now, and they're awesome. All right, thanks for checking it out. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll keep checking out new tools. All right, see ya.